Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Guys, today's video, all about Poundland. I love Poundland. And today I've got some things from Poundland. Maybe I've had before, not really sure, but some definite new products. So I'm super excited. So guys, without wasting any more time, I'm going to show you guys what I bought. Guys, just to let you know, this bag is one I purchased previously. They didn't have any new bags. Normally I like to buy the bag, a new bag as well, but they didn't have any. So I'm super excited just to have this one. So guys, okay, so first thing that I purchased are some moist wipes. We got two different types. This pack, the box was totally destroyed. They put them in the pack, and that's perfectly fine. I don't mind that. You're getting 20 moist wipes for £1. I like the fact that they're all individually wrapped and sealed, and I can pop them in my bag. So I wasn't disappointed about that. I was actually quite happy. I then bought 2 packets of the wet wipes. Again, there are 10 in each one, antibacterial, which I love. I love good hand sanitizer. I love having moist wipes. So that always works for me. Guys, straightforward paracetamol. I mean, you get 2 for £1. I think that's fine. There's probably another box inside this bag somewhere. Not so super exciting, but absolutely necessary. Love bicarbonate of soda. I use this to clean my drains. I put some of the bicarbonate of soda down, and then I put some white vinegar down, and I leave that to bubble and sizz and take away all the gunk and the oils from my drains. And then I pour hot water down to clean it. This stuff is amazing. There's 500 grams for £1, and this usually lasts me quite some time. So I'm super excited to have it because it is coming around to drain cleaning season. At least it is for me. Guys, you know, I probably have had both of these before. In fact, I definitely know that I have. I am in love with Fabulosa products. Guys, let me know your comments on how good you think the Fabulosa products are. You can also tell me if you don't think it's so good. Just be nice in your comments and your words. But I love it. This is the spray and wear. The spray and wear little bottles. I don't know what I'm trying to say here. They're great. They're almost like Febreze. You can use them on fabric. You can use them on clothes. And they are so nice. This one smells. I always say tastes. I never mean to. This one smells a lot like coconut. This one, let me just smell. This one has a really kind of unique smell. It's kind of like florally, a little bit, I guess. But I love these products. Anytime I see them, I always buy ones because I run out. I use them so much, I run out. I use these sometimes for my sofas and carpets. Even if I don't have the carpet foam, I'll use these instead, but they're great. And they're also fantastic just to spray over your bed when you've just freshly made your bed. I love it. I bought some treats for the kids, and these are Crazy Rolls bubble gum. You can see they pull out here. You do not get this amount of bubble gum in these packs. There's only a small amount, but you get 6 for £1. There are 4 different flavors. You've got 2 strawberry, you've got 2 apple, you have 1 banana, and 1 blueberry. Ooh, blueberry. That sounds good. The kids love these. 6 in a pack for £1. That keeps them quiet, and I'm totally happy with that. So, I do love compression wraps, especially I have a really weak ankle. These compression wraps are fantastic. If you guys haven't used them before, I buy them all the time. And the only reason I have to buy them all the time is because I constantly lose them. I take them off. I don't put them in the right places. But they're really good. So you put this little part, like here, around your foot. This little bit goes up around your, this little bit goes up around your foot, and it just helps to keep my foot, give my foot just a little bit of additional support. I really, really like these. So glad that I found them, because I know Poundland it's been really, really hard to find a lot of the products that I would buy regularly in Poundland. A lot of times they're sold out, or there's been shipping issues. So I was really glad to get that. I do have one, but I thought when I saw it, I'll pop it in the box. When I saw it, I might as well buy another one. And it was only £1, so that's awesome. I purchased a little pill box. It's a medicine manager. I didn't buy this, to be really honest. I did not buy this for pills or medicine. I bought this because I would do a lot of diamond paintings, and sometimes they give you a little pack. I think they give you 3 of the little bags that you can put your leftover diamonds into, but I find that they go everywhere. So that's what I bought this for. I can pop any unused little diamonds into the container and I can close it. I can pop the number on the front. I can, put a little sticker over it and just pop the number on the front so I know what I'm using. And I just thought this would be so much better for me if I could open the thing. So much better for me for the little, as a container for the diamond paintings. I was hopefully trying to get one that didn't have any of these on. Sometimes you get them, they're plain, and that you put the stickers on. This one came pre-filled out. I'm not mad at it. It was only £1. It's a really cute, handy container for me. But yes, I'm not going to use this as a medicine manager. I'm going to use this as a diamond painting manager. So I was really happy also to get that. I purchased this. I love this little elastic band. I'm always looking for elastics everywhere around my house. I can never find them. So I purchased this elastic band ball. This elastic band ball was only £1. It says that's 150 grams. I don't know what that means in terms of how many elastics are here, but there are a lot. This ball is exceptionally bouncy, which is what I would expect. Whoa, but how pretty is it? It's got lovely, colourful elastic bands. And the elastic bands seem to be really good, really, really stretchy. Perfect, exactly what I need. And they're a ton. So this is going to last me. This will probably do all of my elastic band needs. I mean, I don't think I'm ever going to have to go buy more. I don't think so anyway. So guys, the next thing that I picked up is this super cute pencil set. This comes with a little pencil case. It has a pen, a pencil, a ruler, and a sharpener. And I just thought it was so cute. Again, it was just £1. I just picked it up because, honestly, I love blue. Blue's a really nice colour for me. I liked it with pink. I like the fact that the little glitter moves. And I just thought that was fun. So £1 for a full stationery set, which is awesome. I bought also a set of drawing pins, and I bought these drawing pins because I use diamond paintings, and if you guys have ever done diamond paintings before, you'll know that they come generally rolled, and it takes a long time this is super sticky, look at this. That was some ASMR, impromptu ASMR. And guys, little tip, if you ever get sticky residue, use the actual sticker itself and just pull it off quite quickly. And it does tend to take a lot of the stickiness away from the bottle. That's what I do with mine all the time. Anyway, you guys know that when you get the diamond paintings, they come rolled up. Then you have to try to put the diamonds on them. Well, that can be quite difficult. So what I bought was a cork. What is it? A cork. It's a cork drawing board. Is that right? Maybe that's not the right term. But a cork board that you can hang on the wall and put things on. I bought it for my diamond painting. So it came with a couple of little drawing pins, but the drawing pins really stick up and it just wasn't right. So I decided to buy these drawing pins to be able to put them into the cork. and to hold my diamond painting in place. So if I put 3 at the top, 3 down the side, 3 across the bottom, the diamond painting won't move. And it also gives it an opportunity to flatten out. I'm not really sure how many drawing pins you get in this little tub. I mean, this little pot can hold a lot, but it's enough for what I want, and it was only £1, and I did love the little glass jar with the cork top. It will match my cork board, which is awesome. So guys, last couple of items. I love a foot spa. I have a foot spa. I love spaing my feet in this foot spa. We use the foot spa a lot. So, I'm always looking for things to put into the foot spa. Something that's going to revitalize your feet and just revive your body and give that a bit of energy and relaxation. So I purchased this 1 kilo bag of Sea and Spa Epsom and Himalayan bath salts in raspberry and pomegranate. That sounds really, really nice. So I bought this bag. This bag cost me £1.49, £1.50. It was £1.50. And I think that's pretty good. It's Himalayan salt, which you guys know is not cheap. It is supposed to have really good health benefits. And it's going to be fantastic in my little foot spa. But I am so excited to try, not try it, but, well, I am excited to try it. That's true. But I want to smell it. I just want to smell it and see what it smells like. Oh my gosh. That smells so fruity. You're definitely getting the smell of the salt. But the pomegranate and raspberry smell, delicious. I need to make sure I close this properly so it doesn't fall out. But that is a 1 kilo bag, which, I mean, you literally take, when you're using the foot spa, you literally take a scoop. It's almost like a tablespoon and put it in. That's all you need. So this will last for a very long time, and it will get well used. So guys, last 2 things I bought are snacks. Well, kind of snacks, I guess. Let's move the bag out of the way. Mint crumbles. These are delicious. They're made by Sweet Heaven. There are no artificial colors or flavors, which is awesome. And they're traditional. They're refreshingly cool, crumbly peppermint sweets. These are so delicious. They are one of my favorites because they're super soft. They're literally breakable. And they look chalky, but they're not. They are almost melt in your mouth. Really, really pepperminty, which is a good thing for me because I really love peppermint. They're so good. I'm definitely going to go buy more of those because they're really, really first class. Guys, the last thing I bought, I like Lotus biscuits. I've never had Lotus biscotti spread. And I thought this would be a lot of fun because it was only £1. And it would be good on maybe some toast or in a sandwich. It's completely sealed, which of course it would be. I have a nut allergy, so I can't eat things with nuts. I'm just going to check. This doesn't have any, if I can see it. No, this is perfectly good for me. So I have a nut allergy, which means that I can't eat peanut butter and I can't eat Nutella and I can't eat a lot of those chocolate spreads because they all have hazelnuts. So I kind of feel like I'm missing out. But I can eat biscotti. I have eaten the biscuits. I have had a biscotti ice cream. I love the flavour. So I'm going to try out this biscotti. The Lotus biscotti or Biscoff. Why am I saying biscotti? I don't know. Biscoff spread. And if I use this before the video, because I'll let you guys know in the comment section. But I think this is pretty good for 200 grams for £1. I definitely think this is definitely worthwhile picking up. Well, guys, that's everything in my video. I hope you guys have had as much fun as I've had. I have a blast buying this stuff and then sharing it with you guys. I also have a blast using it too, so that's always a bonus. And if you guys like the video, please smash that like button. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, don't forget to hit the the subscribe button. And if you guys want to be notified of any of my future videos, don't forget about the notification bell. Guys, any comments, leave them in the comment section below. I will do my absolute utmost to come back to you as soon as I can. But in the meantime, I really, really hope you guys have the most amazing day. Please, please take care. Please stay safe. Please look out for each other. And I am going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.